Dude by Chong, and welcome back to another video. Long time no see. So here we are right now sa Baywalk, and we're just looking at and taking in the sights of Manila Bay Sands, or yung construction of it actually. Wala lang, naisipan lang namin na sa bagay, matagal naman na akong nasa quarantine, hindi na ako palalabas, dami ko na rin kinakain, kaya you know, I think it's high time na maglakad-lakad ako, mag-exercise, mag-diet and all that stuff kasi medyo lumalaki na yung tiyan ko. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the view so far. Siguro dumating kami dito mga 5:30 or something, 5:40 mga ganong oras. But yeah, it's been a fun experience. You know, just to see Manila like early morning and just to walk around it. It's been a fun experience for me. But I really like yung the whole vibe of this new Manila. But yeah, let me take you on the journey.
I really like how, despite the pandemic, Manila seems just as lively as it was even before the pandemic happened. And with all the crazy stuff that happened in 2020, I feel like 2021 has to be the symbol of renewed hope, not just for the Filipino people, but for everyone around the world. And walking around Manila early morning, I really felt that sense of renewed spirit. Walking around Manila made me feel like the Filipino spirit has been unshakable and unyielding in these uncertain times. You see everyone just enjoying life just as they should be, and you see that it's not a ghost town. Everything is alive, everything is moving forward, and that gave me a semblance of peace.
Ayan guys, so nandito kami, naglalakad pa rin kami. Nagpapapawis lang bago kami mag-breakfast. Yun actually yung hinihintay ko, yung breakfast. Yeah, nandiyan si Papa. Kamusta ka naman, Papa?
Ayos naman.
Ayos ba? Hindi ka naman nagpapawisan, hinihingal? Hindi. Ako yung hindi okay actually. Matagal-tagal na rin kasi yung last na exercise ko eh. But yeah, yun naman, ang ganda. Actually, I grew up nung bata ako na medyo mabaho yung maglakad-lakad dito, yung amoy, parang amoy sewage, diba? And I always grew up to these stories na sinasabi nila yung panahon daw nila, maganda daw yung Manila Bay, ganon. And you know, I was always envious, jealous of that kasi hindi ko naabutan. But you know, at least kahit paano ngayon, they're starting. Kaya okay din.
Now this is crazy. I was told back then that Manila Bay used to be so dirty that not just people, but no animals would even think of going to Manila Bay. And for a while, a long while, there were no fishes in Manila Bay, but ever since the Manila Bay cleanup, more and more fishes are returning to the bay, and now there are fishermen fishing in the bay. And aside from the consistent cleanup of the place regularly, I think that people are learning to be more respectful and mindful of their surroundings.
This part of Manila Bay, sobrang amoy beach. Kumbaga parang amoy dagat, may tawag doon.
Amoy dagat.
Amoy dagat, yeah. Actually, it's very appealing naman eh, basta hindi amoy kanal, which is what it was dati. But ngayon, okay na siya. So, you know, there's still a lot of stuff to do. Sa bagay, 2 years pa naman to eh, no? 2 years pa lang yung niya. Well, in a matter of a few years, who knows, maybe, kung may responsibilidad ang mga mamamayan, pwede sila magbukas ng mga dito. Pahingan, ganyan, gawing tourist destination. We'll see. Okay. Ganda ng view sa likod oh. Yung dial din sa araw. Let's check. Alright. So I'm getting parang na-miss ko tuloy yung Zambales. Dahil sa or sa La Union. Na-miss ko tuloy mag-beat.
Kaya, ang plan nila dito.
Ano siya, relaxing. Yun. May beach. Basta may beach. Ganda. Dati hindi ganito to, no? Hindi may beach o ganun pa rin. Kasi ang alam ko, kwento ni Papa, actually. Na naliligo daw sila dito dati nung bata sila, di ba? Hindi ko ma-imagine, actually, na dati ganun pala. Kasi syempre yung lumaki akong parang no-go. Hindi pwede pumunta dito. Parang kumbaga nakikita mo lang siya sa malayo. Pero okay rin na ngayon yun. Nandito ako ngayon. Ay. Baka na makita siyang ko ah. Muna ka.
Hindi, sige. Ayupunan kita eh. Para pang
So guys, I've just finished editing the video, so I think very soon I can put this out there in the channel, upload it, and for you guys to see it. Now I'm so excited for you guys to see this. This is going to be my comeback after a very long hiatus. Yeah, but I wanted to use this part of the video to also just give a little context regarding my long hiatus in the channel. And well, we all know how 2020 was like as a year, both for the world and on a personal level. It has been a very tough year, and dare I say the toughest of my life so far. And a lot happened in 2020 that none of us could have expected. The least of which is the pandemic, although it is of no small matter. It's a very serious situation. And I mean, I know that 2021 isn't going to be automatically better, especially with the new UK variation of the SARS-CoV-2, the recent US Capitol siege. A lot has happened, and a lot will happen. And I did a lot of soul searching throughout my hiatus. Yeah, I don't know. I also had to basically focus on my studies, focus on the online school, online learning in Ateneo, and I just didn't have time to just give my 100% to the channel. So I wasn't able to upload anything. I wasn't able to vlog anything. I am planning, now that I am out of this hiatus, I am planning to upload multiple videos on my KineMaster project files that have not yet been uploaded. It's the SEM break, so I have 1 month off to think and to get off my high horse and actually do some work and continue uploading to my channel. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for watching my videos. And I only have one thing to say. Just continue liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing this video with your friends, and I hope you hit that notification bell to stay notified for my next videos. I will see you in the next one, hopefully very soon. Thank you for watching.